And well, I know this is like a weird setting because I'm about to wash my hair and I will be doing a review. I didn't even welcome you. Hello and welcome back to Live Happy Locs. I am your host, Tori Corrington. Welcome. Don't mind this or the setting. I am about to do a review of a soap, Free the Roots, a Black-owned company, perfect for Black History Month, even though we celebrate all year round. But here we go. I am nervous about trying this soap because it is a bar, and I have never used a bar soap before. I'm always using the liquid soap. I'm worried that maybe it won't be sudsy enough, maybe it won't spread well enough, and it'll just be difficult to use, and nobody likes difficult soap. I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick and get to sudsing. Right.
It's really important with Locs to make sure you're allowing the water to get into all the nooks and crannies of your scalp. This will help any type of shampoo lather more easily. Quick length check. Now I'm just gently circling the bar against my hair, and it's actually sudsing pretty quickly. I'm going to slow it down real quick just so you can see that I'm not putting a ton of pressure. Now I'm going through and parting the different sections of my hair to try to get the shampoo all over my scalp. Wetting the bar helps it to remain sudsy and makes sure every part is equally shampooed. Once I finished my roots, I start to soap the stalk of my locks to make sure every part is nice and soapy and can get out any of the residue or leftover oils that remain. Here I'm just using my fingertips to gently scratch and rub my scalp to lift up any dandruff, any oils, any dirt, any sand out of my hair so that when I rinse it, it'll all come out smoothly. Once again, it may look like I'm being really intense with this, but it's just fast forwarded. As I've explained in previous videos, sometimes my low porosity hair doesn't allow things to really penetrate to all sections. This is an example of that. This space has no soap in it, probably not so much water. So I have to go through it again and just make sure that I'm really cleaning off all the sections of my hair, especially this one that you just saw was clearly missed. It's so important to make sure you wash all of the shampoo out of your hair. Having any left over is liable to make your hair smell like mildew. As you can see, everything seems to be soap-free. So, I use the Free the Roots soap, bar of soap, and I actually really liked it. As you were able to see, it was able to soap my entire head, get real sudsy pretty quickly. There were some parts that I had to wash twice. With my low porosity hair, sometimes it's difficult for any type of liquid, water, soap, anything to really penetrate deep into the roots and into my scalp. So I had to go back and do that twice. I didn't feel like this soap really stripped my hair of all of its nutrients like a lot of larger shampoo companies can do. I felt like my scalp was clean. I went through, rubbed and scratched my head, had no residue in my nails. My hair didn't feel like it had any leftover soap or anything like that. But I really loved the smell of the soap. I loved how easily it was able to flow through my hair and through my locks. And I would definitely recommend. If you did not know, it is a Black-owned company. And, you know, you gotta support, you know, where you can, you gotta support. If you want to follow them on Instagram, their page is right here. They've been doing like question and answers in their stories, and it's really informative. And as a beginner lock person, woman, it's really helpful. So I would advise following their page, trying out their soaps. They have a lot of different sprays as well, which I haven't tried yet. But so far, so good. Thank you so much for joining my page at Live Happy Locs. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so right here and ring that little bell as well so you can get a notification when my next videos come out. Feel free to follow me at Instagram at Live Happy Locs, and I'll see you again soon. I hope your day is filled with love, abundance, and prosperity.